If you're an agency targeting local or small businesses, or if you are new and want to start an agency, this video is for you. Let me ask you this: what high level features are you actually selling or do you plan to sell? Is it a website builder, missed call text back, conversation AI to book more appointments, or maybe automated reputation management? There are just way too many out there. And if you ask me, I only recommend to just pick one and be very good at selling it. If you're like someone like me who does not like to deal with clients to do full customization services and you want to sell something which is not just easily replicatable for all your clients, but it's also easy to sell, it's low maintenance, you only need to set it up once for it to run. And of course, it will also make a big difference in the amount of sales for your clients. Then I highly suggest to sell the missed call text back feature. So I found this missed call text back calculator online, and I actually found it to be very very useful, and I decided to build it, as you'll see coming up soon. What I like about this calculator, which you can show your clients, is number one, it can increase awareness on missed opportunities. Number two, rather than just telling them that they need missed call text back, they can actually see the clear return on investment, and because of that, it makes your solution that much more compelling. And number three, it's an interactive tool which is more engaging than just a static web page, and it encourages your leads to spend more time on your website, which increases the likelihood of them to engage your services. So make sure to stay till the end of this video, and I'll show you how you can get this calculator for your agency. So this is the missed call text back calculator page which I created. As you can see, this is the header where you can put your logo in. It has this missed call text back calculator heading and a try missed call text back button, which I'll explain later on. And then you have the ROI calculator here and also a little bit of footer here. So how does this calculator work? So basically you just need to put in three details. Just imagine you have this on your website, you show this to your client comes in here, and then they can see, oh, I have to put in an average client value. So let's put $1,000 and estimate number of missed calls per week. So say if you have 3 missed calls per day, so let's put 15 per week, and estimate closing rate. Say out of the 15, you close 30% of them. Okay, we press calculate ROI, and then it will automatically show you here how much monthly sales left on the table. You can see it is $4,500, and also a yearly sales left on the table, which is $54,000. So with this three of these numbers, you're able to show this kind of data, and this data is very valuable. Say if your client comes in here and then they put in all these details and press RI, and then they see all this, and then they might be, oh, this is something that I need for my business. So what's next? What they can do is with this button, the get missed call text back here today, of course, you can name it whatever you want. If you already have a SaaS on GoHighLevel, you can link this to your SaaS payment page where they can check out and get an account from you. Or say if they don't still understand what missed call text back is. So what we can do here is they can, up here, they can just press try missed call text back, where say they are on their phone, it will call your number, and then after they hang up, it will send a notification to their phone through SMS that says something like, hey, sorry I missed your call, is there anything I can help you with? Okay, just to show them the power of missed call text back. Now, how to get this snapshot is, if you are new to GoHighLevel, you can click the link below to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. And when you do use my link, you'll get a few things. Number one is you get the snapshot of this missed call text back calculator, which includes the calculator itself as well as the funnel page. And you'll also get access to my Smooth Automator high-level course, where you will learn everything from the basics of how to use GoHighLevel, how to set up a sub account, and actually how to use GoHighLevel to your fullest potential. And number three is you get a one-on-one session with me for an hour where we can go through things such as setting up your account or asking things related to high level to get you up and running as fast as possible. Now you may be going, hey Dennis, I already have a high level account. So if you already have a high level account, I have a couple of ways where you can get all of the above. All you need to do is down below, there is a link that says existing high level clients. So click that link and I'll show you the options. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.